I have just finished active treatment for a primary breast cancer diagnosis. I've had chemotherapy, double mastectomy and reconstruction with my tummy tissue. I would say that the most important aspect of a bra for me is the comfort since my surgery. If I can take a bra off at the end of the day and they don't feel hard in areas, then I'm like, okay, that was a good bra. Royce bras don't make me feel sore at the end of the day, so that's always good.
Last year I was diagnosed with invasive ductal carcinoma in my right breast and I had to have a lumpectomy. My breast size has changed since having surgery and I've gone from wearing underwire bras constantly to now wearing non-wired bras. And to start off with, it's a bit of a minefield. It's not a choice when you have an operation. You've got to find something that's going to make you feel comfortable.
My bra needs when I was pregnant changed massively, more so than I could have imagined they were going to. Because when you've got a baby in one arm, desperate for a feed, you've got one hand to undo a clip with. It has to be easy.
After giving birth, whoa, okay, my boobs, they got really big. So when I gave birth, I was a 34L, and that's just me self-measuring. My boobs were heavy. I just knew I didn't want any wires. I didn't want anything digging at all. I needed something that was just gonna get flung on easily, be comfortable, easy for me to breastfeed. So that's the most important thing. When you're pregnant, breastfeeding, just constantly be in the right bra size.
So wearing a bra makes me feel, I guess it's supported. It's that kind of little friend that every woman knows you kind of want in your life.
The comfort is so different when you've got a bra on that fits. It's an all-day thing, you can actually wear it.
As a woman, I know who I wear a bra for. I wear a bra for myself, number one. I have a husband, and he gets to see all the gorgeous lingerie that I wear, but I don't wear it for him, I wear it for myself.
If you're wearing, something that holds you up properly, it makes you feel more confident. There's a certain power in wearing very nice underwear, and I'm not talking about wearing it for other people, I'm talking about wearing it for yourself.
Being a 36 double J, it is quite difficult to find bras that fit. And I have Royce as all my comfy bras because they go with everything, they give me the support I need. Brilliant.
I have several Royce bras and I absolutely love the brand. I love what the brand's about. I feel like Royce has been my bra brand friend. It's been there for me. So when I went through my back pain, Royce was there. It was the only bra. The Luna bra saved my life, so to speak. And it really supported me in the times that I felt really down and emotional.
When I was a teenager, I would have loved to have seen someone with massive knockers that wasn't a perfect person. I would want to see someone who was just happily confident enough to go, this is how a bra should fit and this is how you should feel in it, not this is what you should look like.
Women from all over the world, anyone who identifies as a woman should feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. Like, you shouldn't let society dictate how you should look, how you should feel. Like, get a good fitting bra and just strut your stuff.